before we get started on the review, everybody, look over here. Who's ever seen a good movie? That was awesome. One person. Great. Now, two people. Now, at the end of a really good movie, what are you thinking? Okay. And that's it. You don't want any more. Hey, maybe they'll come out with a part 2, right? Every good thing has a sequel. Not everything, but most good things have a sequel, right? So that's why I wanted to announce the sequel of No Shave November is Don't Shave December. So keep growing them, all right? This is just the beginning, all right? Well, anyway. All right, so talk about this quiz review. Now, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know for today's quiz. So if you just pay close attention, everything will be great. For some reason, this is acting weird. Okay, on your review, look right here. Look. Do you know when you have 3 arcs and 3? So, do y'all know 3 arcs matches 3 arcs? So if this is 79 at angle K, this is 79 at angle C, okay? Is everyone looking up here? Everyone knows how the quiz today, right? So again, you should fill these in. If you see 2 arcs of 53, you should label it on the other one, right? Now, if you know 2 angles, how do you find the missing third angle? What do they always add up to? 180, right? Cool. So you should be able to find all these missing angles. So when you're doing numbers 2, 3, and 4, all you got to do is look at your picture. Okay, so fill these in. These should be not too hard. Number 1, look at number 1. Order matters. I've said it, and I'll say it again. Order matters. So 3 of these, the order does not match perfectly. But letter A matches why? Because 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc, IJK matches 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc, DBC. Do you see how you're just looking for the matching? Okay. So 1 through 4, I think should be not too hard. What about 5, 6, and 7? Look right here. Can you take these pictures and tell me what they are? Remember, there's 5 things: side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, angle, side, and HL. If it's none of those, put none. By the way, which 2 can you not use? Don't say it, spell it. What? Okay, AAA, no batteries, and then ASS. Can't use that one, okay? No batteries, no booty, okay? So on this one, if you see 3 tick marks, tick mark, tick mark, tick mark, side, 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 right? Number 6, if you see arc, arc, tick mark, and the tick mark is not in the middle of them, that's angle, angle, side. You go along the edge, angle, angle, side. What if it's tick mark, arc mark, tick mark, side, angle, side, okay? So you're picking one of these, looking at the picture, okay? So far, that's like the first half of the quiz, or the first part of the quiz. That is fine. But look right here. This is where people get confused. Okay? A lot of people have not done the extension assignment or are getting low grades on it. Let me explain this again. Look right here. Everybody. Hey. Look over here. Okay. So, number 8. If it tells you that an angle is congruent to an angle, you need to put an arc there. Okay, so look, G and I. Do you see how I put an arc at G and I? And then it says H and J are congruent. So I put 2 arcs there. And then GH and IJ, those are segments. Segments need to have tick marks on them. So between GH, I put a little tick. Between IJ, put a little tick. Do you see how I labeled it? From what they told me. Arcs, arcs, tick marks. So now when I look at it, I can match up the letters, FGH, matches KIJ, and then I can tell the triangle congruence statement in order. Angle, side, angle. I already sent her down, sorry. Angle, side, angle. Arc, tick mark, arc. Angle, side, angle. See how it works? If you label it, match it up, tell me what it is. Again, your 5 options are already written on here, okay? What about number 9? Number 9, I know we had 1 fix on there, but MN and QR, tick mark between MN, tick mark between QR. NPSR, tick mark, angle N, angle R, arc, arc. If you label it correctly, it's going to be side, angle, side. Okay. Again, match up your letters. You got to match up your letters. Number 10, when you label all the side, the angle, and the angle, if you go along the edge, it's angle, angle, side. Okay. So this is how we did the review from yesterday. If you have it, you can use your review. If you have your notes, you can use your notes. Just no phones, no friends. Work on your own quiz. When you're done, okay, instead of doing that, I want you to look at that little grade sheet, and I want you to see what's missing. Okay, your grade is in the little black bar at the top. If it's not passing, you got stuff to work on for sure. Okay, so again, quiz, missing work, and that'll do. So make sure, again, that extension from before the break and from Monday this week, make sure you get that done. All right, let's get started here.